Quick update, my brother's Outlander Bombardier 400, I believe. Um, just got done cleaning the carburetor, put a new boot on here, cleaning out the carburetor. Was pretty dirty, just with dust and whatnot. Blew out all the jets and whatnot. And then also did the freaking starter. The starter over here. The starter wasn't engaging at all, so I took it out. I had a hard time taking it out, and cleaned it. Lubed up the part where it goes into the motor. Lubed it up with some grease and sprayed some WD-40 inside the crankcase over here to get the gears lubed up, and it started working pretty good. A lot of cracked lines for a few lines right here. Cracked lines. Bad fuel tank grommets. You can't see it right now, but it's freaking just sitting out right there. I ordered the grommets for the fuel tank. Be coming in. I'll replace both of them. This one right here. And got the air box together, which is right there. Put a new filter in it also. It does have spark. I tried spraying some not WD-40, but some brake cleaner in here. See if it'll start, but it backfires, and I don't know if it's out of time or something. My brother said he was riding it and it just died. We turned it off and he couldn't get it back on. But I think it was because of the carburetor. I found a fuel switch right here. This was clogged up with a bunch of dirt and grime. So I cleaned it out, blew it out, took it all out. Tomorrow I'm going to replace these hoses here. Both fuel lines. Go to the little, I guess, the pump, fuel pump up there. Kind of dark, but anybody got a part number for this fuel level thing right here? Apparently you just pull it off, pull it out, and the level is in there. Oh shit, okay. Oh shit, look at that. It's all, I think I know the fuel tank is probably bad. Look at that. Oh, I just pulled it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I guess I gotta take it to the fuel tank and clean it out. I don't know what else is in there. That is nasty. That is tarry. That is what's left of the grommet, I guess. Shit. Anybody have a part number for that I can replace it with? Yeah. I need to take the fuel tank out tomorrow. Thanks for watching.